Ooh, she's heavy. Left. We are in Ravensburg State Park and we're looking for a campsite. Cool spot. Wise Acres, BDR. BDR riders only. Setting up camp in Wise Acres. It's for BDR riders only. Alright, camp's all packed up. We'll be, that was the wrong hand. No, God! You start in section 1 of the PA Wild BDRX. Should be a fun day. This campground is great. It's privately owned and there's a grill, there's a fire pit, a little outhouse. Yeah, let's hit the dusty trail. So hopefully she starts. Alright, here we go. I go to Scissorville. That's where I'm camping tonight. I think it's another 60 miles. Alright, just left camp and we'll be doing another 200-mile day to Poe Valley State Park, where I have the campsite. So that'll be the rest of Section 2, all of Section 3, and the beginning maybe 10 miles of Section 4. It was a nice campground. I tried touching on this yesterday. Hit record and I thought it was recording, and I was going on blabbering on about stuff, and all it did was take a picture. Yeah, GoPro, very frustrating. But anyway, solo adventuring, some people enjoy. I do enjoy it. There's something about going on a solo trip. It really makes you very self-reliant, manage risks. It is risky riding by yourself, areas that don't have cell service. I mean, I do have a InReach, but yeah, there's a risk. I mean, but it also, you have to be reliant on yourself to get yourself out of situations that are tough, and like if you get a flat, you gotta be able to work on the bike yourself. And for me, it's a good me time where it's just me and myself. Just try to enjoy my own presence, which I think is really healthy for anybody. So yeah, solo adventures. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. It's interesting. It's a little scary, but I think it's really good for your mental health to kind of just be by yourself and put yourself in situations that are not very comfortable, like riding in the woods alone. Alright. I already almost hit a deer just today, and a pheasant. Yeah, watch out for wildlife around here. some exploring. I saw something interesting over there. There's a little fort. Gotta cross this without falling. Oh shit. Okay. Whew. That's for rattlesnakes. Look at that. It's a little fort. It's got a roof. Very interesting. Oh, look at that. It's got a little fire pit. Should I sleep there tonight? No. Alright, let's see if I can get back across without falling in. These shoes are not really hiking shoes. They're slippers. They're slippers. They're slippers. Alright, how do I do this? Whew. Not doing that again. I just left Poe Valley State Park where I was camping for the night. I'm heading to get gas and then I'm going to start section 4. Look at that view. I have to break out the drone. Come on. Goodness. Alright. Let's go. So there's a lot of Amish over here, and you can see in the road there's 2 white lines. It's from the wagon wheels. And then right in the middle there's just horse crap. Both sides of the road. I think it's pretty funny. Beautiful view. Is that a donkey? For the poop. Alright, we are in Bald Eagle State Forest now. It's beautiful over there. going the wrong way. Dummy. Turn it around. You're supposed to make a left turn, you dummy. I gotta go through my cloud of dust. This is the right way. That's what I meant to do. Weehaw. It was a lot of fun. Super stoked. Was able to get that done. That's a wrap. So now I just gotta ride home. And it's all pavement, so it's gonna be real boring. That's my problem. So, alright. Well, that's it.